Sea levels are rising rapidly, and this is posing a huge problem for New York City. Slightly over 8.2 million people live in New York City and are getting put at risk due to the rise of the sea level. The sea level of New York's coast is up to 9 inches higher than it was in 1950. This is a problem that is looking like it's only going to get worse in the future if something is not done about it. Like I said earlier, over 8.2 million people are located in New York City, and not only are there houses and apartments located on the island, but many people are worried about the underground tunnels and other forms of transportation that are at risk due to the sea level rising. Supposedly, the mayor of New York City has a plan to solve this problem, but the plan is not cheap. The solution to this problem is looking at costing around $10 billion and consists of extending Lower Manhattan into the East River, elevating parks, and building removable flood barriers.